Over the years, I've developed a nighttime routine that helps me create a sense of continuity from night to day. Some come from my experience with meditation and yoga these last 40 years, but they're all simple and intuitive. I do them in this order: remembering my day, finding gratitude in my heart, doing a body scan to release tension, and doing loving kindness meditation as I doze off to sleep. Try them yourself and see what works best for you.
Body scans my evening red. Close my eyes and drift so light. Feel the warmth from head to toe. Let the days wait, just let go. Grateful heart for every smile. Walked 1,000 joy miles. Meta flowing through my veins. Love and kindness ease my pains. Restful thoughts in twilight's glow. Moments linger, time is slow. Breathing deep, I count my dreams. Peaceful whispers, gentle streams. Grateful heart for every smile. Walked 1,000 joyful miles. Meta flowing through my veins. Love and kindness ease my pains. Days adventures in my mind. Every challenge left behind. Blessings count